Sake and Sakura by Purdy's Chocolatier is inspired by Vancouver in the spring. This piece starts with a blush of pink cocoa butter sprayed into the chocolate molds. Sake from our local Granville Island sake maker and cherry blossom extract are blended with white chocolate and a hint of dark chocolate just to balance the sweetness. This sweet and spicy treat is deposited in a dark chocolate shell which picks up the pink cocoa butter. Then the pieces are demolded and packaged for you to take home. Enjoy this taste of spring from Purdy's Chocolatier.